All right, welcome to Family DIY TV. Today we need to install an outlet up there because we want to put a light up there. This is also part of a bigger project where we're going to be putting LED lights in this cased out wall here, but we need an outlet up here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, if you were in a situation like this, what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to figure out what's on the other side of this wall, okay? Luckily on the other side of this wall, I have my bedroom. So I'm gonna take the other side of this wall. Now, the educated guess is gonna be based on how your house is built. If it's an exterior wall, you might be able to measure off that wall and make a very educated guess of where that is. What I did is I went outside, I kind of looked, this is actually two kind of different buildings here. And if I take it to the outside, you'll see my house is set up a little different. So you can see that's that roof there, and this is where my bedroom is. So that wall is actually this wall here. So you kind of have to play with it a little bit and figure out where you are. Mine's actually probably more difficult than normal. I'll take the other side of the wall and let's check it out. All right, so now we're on the other side of this wall. What I did was I took this old phone jack and I actually just ran a drill bit through it. I was pretty sure that this was going to be inside the house. I did a lot of measuring. I measured from the exterior wall all the way over. You can see this is the other side. Then what I did is, the reason why I did it here is because I have an outlet right here. So I can jump off of this outlet. So what I did was I determined where my studs were because I want to stay in the same bay. I already know this, but I have a stud right here and I have a stud right here. Okay, so I want to be in this bay right here because I'll be able to jump off of this and I'll be able to put a box on the other side of the wall over here. And I want my other box around here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure down. I'm going to start my other box on the other side around here, okay? So the wire is going to run here and then pop out on the other side. All right, the tools to do this project are pretty minimal. You need, some strippers, some wire cutters, you need an outlet, of course. You need a box. I'm going to use this old work box. These have little tabs on there. You need a cover. You don't need this. You can use a drywall saw, but one of these is great. And you need a little bit of wire, actually. Not much, but I just have this real wire. All right, so now we're gonna go up there and cut the hole, start the installation. On top of the ledge, this is the other side of that drill bit. Okay, if you remember on the other side. And what we said is we wanted to come 6 inches down. So, no big deal. So we're like around here. And the reason why I'm going lower is because I really don't want to see this. You're not going to, it's up on the ledge. But I'm actually gonna go sideways with it, okay? So put a line here. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, and what this does is vibrates. Hold it right on there. I already made sure that I'm in between the two studs, right? We're just gonna cut this drywall out. I got my hole. You can see actually the foam wire there, and there's that stud. My other outlet should be up there. You guys probably can see it. This will be a nice hole for my box. First, we're gonna run the wires, but there you go. That's why these things are so awesome. Makes everything so much cleaner and faster. All right, now what we're gonna do is go on the other side and we're gonna run a wire in and pull it out through here. We knocked out a little hole back there and we shoved the wire in that way because our hole is over here. So the wire's pushed in through this way. We always go from smaller to bigger. If we went the other way, we'd obviously never get it in. So you push it through this one. And I'm gonna push plenty in there, all right? And then we're gonna go back on the other side. All right, now we're on the other side. You can see the wire. We'll just pull that wire through. Like I said, I added a bunch of extra. And we will push in one of these. We'll put our wire through. Now there's no power running to this yet, of course. Like any other, follow your local code. The way I remember it is I do triple B. So I do black for the first B, black wire. Then when you're looking at the outlet, you loop it around the bottom and you loop it onto the bronze screw. Then when you do the white, it's the opposite. So you take your white wire and that goes to the silver, which is obviously not bronze, but you loop this one around the top. And they'll say that you're always supposed to do your your ground first, which is true, and then we do our ground. Take this box, we'll install this box into the wall, and then what you do is you just run these screws in, and there's like wings on the other side, and the wings will sandwich this between the drywall and these little tabs right here. Usually I do this with a drill or a driver, but my driver is down on the ground. Then we'll take this and we'll fold this up inside, run our screws in. Okay, that outlet's in, it's just not on yet. We gotta go to the other side and do the wiring. All right, now we're on the other side. And what I'm gonna do is I'll pull this extra wire out and we'll pull it to the same distance that this one is. And we will cut it. We're just gonna match up the colors, right? Black to black, so black to bronze, white to white, ground to ground. Okay, we'll wire that back up, push that outlet in. All right, so that's how you add an outlet. You can see I have some LED lights just up there. This is not the reason I added the lights. The reason I added the lights is because, like I said at the beginning, I'm gonna be running a set of LEDs on top of this ridge, on top of that top casing there. I still have to finish that out, but that's why I have that outlet up there. Really something simple to do. I hope this helped you. If it did, please like this video. Please leave me a comment down below. Consider subscribing to the channel. There's all kinds of DIY stuff on my channel, just trying to help you guys out. Like this entire wall project, that entire kitchen actually is on the channel. Again, please subscribe to the channel. I'm Mike, Family DIY TV, and I'm out.